Okay, here I am back again with CALDREA Part 2. You guys left in the comments a lot of other scents I should try, so I decided that I would try them for you guys. You guys really liked, I'm like always shocked at what the content and things that you guys like to watch, because a lot of you really liked knowing what these smelled like. So let's jump right into it. I've got 4 more scents. I haven't tried them yet. I'm gonna try them for you guys. And a lot of these I grabbed because you guys said to try them because you liked them. So let's start with Pear Blossom Agave. Pear Blossom Agave. That smells really good. I'm thinking of somebody right now in my mind that would probably like this. It's a little perfumey, but not like super bad. This is kind of masculine too. But not like super fruity. Even though it says pear, it's not like sweet, sweet, sweet. So this is what I've learned with these things. They smell one way when I smell them straight out of the bottle, but then they smell really differently when I spray them. So I'm gonna let you know also what I think about them once they're sprayed onto a surface. So far I really like this one. Not like whatever the balsam one was that I couldn't say correctly. Gilded balsam birch. I don't love it as much as that, but we'll see. Once I spray it, maybe I will. Okay, this next one is Basil Blue Sage. Basil Blue Sage. Let's try this. Try this out. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That's assaulting. Wow, that's like so strong. It's like overwhelming. Basil Blue Sage. I don't know. I'm gonna have to spray that one before I give an opinion because it kind of smells like NyQuil. Something about it smells like NyQuil. I'm gonna have to spray that or burn it. I don't know. That wasn't a first good impression. Sorry. Okay, this is one that you guys really suggested that I try. Tangelo Palm Frond. Frond. Everybody loves this one, so. Ooh, wow, that's really sweet. Oh my goodness. It smells really good. I feel like I'd have to use that in the summer. Like it just, right now, like I have a pumpkin cake sitting next to me. It doesn't go with the pumpkin cake, but it smells good. So I'm gonna spray that one for you also. And then the last one, this is another one that people said to try, is Ginger Pomelo. Let's see. Okay, that's really subtle. It smells kind of like the first one, the Pear Blossom Agave. Okay, I like it that much, but like none of these are surpassing the Gilded Balsam Birch. Just saying. For me, so far, none of these are like, woohoo, you win. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do, I think the one I liked the most was Pear Blossom Agave. I'm gonna just spray this right here in front of me. Can't even really smell it. Do a bigger area. Okay, yeah. I like that. It's really subtle. It reminds me of something. I feel like I say that about all of them. Yeah, I like it. It's not like I have to have that smell. But it's okay. All right, now I'm gonna do The Tangelo Palm Frond. I'm gonna spray that one. Oh, why am I opening it? Whoops. Okay, see now that smells really different when I spray it. It smells citrusy. Tangelo, I guess, is that like supposed to be a tangerine? I'm not really sure. Yeah, I like this one. So far, this is my favorite. It's very sweet, but it's also citrusy. It'd be like a good kitchen scent. Yeah, I'm down. I would use that. I would use that. This is the one I didn't love. Basil Blue Sage. This is the one I said smelled like NyQuil. I'm nervous. Okay, so now that I sprayed it, it doesn't smell like NyQuil. It smells like basil. Okay, I like it now. See, you have to spray it out. You can't just smell it straight out of the container, because that happened to me with Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin. Pumpkin? Is it just pumpkin? It smelled good in the bottle, but when I sprayed it, it smelled like vanilla, and I hate vanilla. Okay, wait. Basil Blue Sage. It's growing on me. This is another sexy man. This is an accountant. This is a sexy accountant. Okay. Basil Blue Sage. It's my favorite. It almost has like a woman perfume scent in there too. This is my second favorite of all time behind Gilded Balsam Birch. It smells really good, and it has a clean scent to it also. It's not just sexy man, it's like a clean sexy man. I think I've said that before. Yep. See, I'm telling you guys, you have to spray it on the counter. So even if you go to Target and you try, well, you can't buy CALDREA there, but if you try Mrs. Meyer's or Method or whatever, just smelling it out of the bottle doesn't give you like a true picture of what it's going to smell like in your space. All right, so the last one, Ginger Pomelo. I used to work at Ron John Surf Shop, and it's what it smelled like in there. Ginger pomelo. It might be like some type of like sunscreen, like coconutty type of thing. It doesn't smell like sunscreen, but like sunscreen smells like coconut. This is really, 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 really subtle. I can barely smell it. Yeah, I like it. I feel like too much of this would give me a headache. I'm not sure what it is in there that would give me a headache, but like I feel like it would give me a headache. So it says a zesty, energizing blend of pomelo, the grandest citrus fruit, paired with a warm ginger. Essential oils of grapefruit and basil help create an uplifting tonic. So maybe it's the ginger, but ginger doesn't usually bother me. I don't know. There's something in here that might give me a headache, but I get it. Like I get why people like it. I feel like it's a good bathroom scent. Pear Blossom Agave is a succulent blend of pear blossom and agave with notes of French melon and citrus. This balance of fragrance of new growth and ripe fruit inspires. And they all have birch bark in them. Did you know that? And the Basil Blue Sage. Basil Basil blue sage, reminiscent of an herb garden from the south of France. Essential oils of basil, rosemary, and sage create a sophisticated and clarifying blend. So maybe that's where like the sexy accountant came from. It's like someone who's sophisticated. Tangelo palm frond. It's inspired by the sunny Iowan some word, hillside by the sea. This textured, meticulously layered scent features citrus and melon with notes of linden blossom, tea, and oak moss. I'm not sure. I like them all. Now I can smell the ginger pomelo. All of a sudden it's coming up. That's weird. It had like a delay. The ginger pomelo would give me a headache, and it's already making my throat sore. But yeah, so I think I would definitely blue basil sage, contrary to my first reaction. Pear blossom agave, tangelo palm frond, and then ginger pomelo. I like it, but I'm telling you, it's gonna give me a headache. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. I know it's so hard to buy products when you don't know what they smell like, and even though I'm describing them for you right now, I hope it's more helpful than just going blind. I don't think there are any more scents in CALDREA that I could try, but if there's another brand out there that you guys are curious about, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely order them and try them out for you and let you know what I think. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification, hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Do you know what that does when you post, when you hit the bell? What it does is it will either give you a push notification or it'll send you an email that I've posted a new video. So that way you don't have to check every day. I know you're so excited about all my videos, you just sit and wait. But hit the notification if you want to be notified. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I hope you like my channel, and I've got a lot of really fun videos coming up soon that I know you guys are gonna like, because I'm already planning them out and having so much fun doing it. Christmas is coming, and Christmas is my favorite holiday, and I go crazy. So stay tuned for those videos coming up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.